Hey guys, it's the real Mr. Marcelle, aka your favorite loan officer. I want to tell you thank you for coming back to my channel. It's a new week, so that means it's a new video time. Jashawn, what are we talking about today?
I don't know. What are we talking about today?
We're talking about how to make sure they get pre-approved, Jashawn. We want to make sure it's 2020. I want to make sure you guys get pre-approved. I want you to get qualified for the most, and I'm going to give you some secrets to make sure it happens, all right? So make sure you guys are following my channel on YouTube and Instagram. I drop different videos on every different platform, so make sure you guys are following. Thank you guys so much, and now we're gonna get into it. All right, so it's 2020. Everyone knows COVID is rampant. It's still going on. The second wave is coming. Everyone's scared. They're panicking, but real estate is still here. And to buy, the time is now. Rates are so low. It's like one of the lowest. I believe in like 1916 or 1930, 1940, the rates were like 12%. Right now, we're seeing rates in the low twos. Yes, twos. Rates are in the twos right now.
Wow.
So if you're watching this, make sure you DM me. As my shirt says, I love referrals, and I am a licensed loan officer. So make sure you guys message me. But realistically, the things that can help you guys get approved, I shouldn't speak this too loud. Make sure you guys can hear me. The things is to know your DTI. I don't know how many times I have to tell you guys, knowing your debt to income ratio helps. For conventional loans, we would like you guys to stay about a 41%. That's a great DTI. It's not necessary. For conventional loans, we can go higher, and especially FHA loans, we can go higher. But the lower the amount of debt you have, the more money you guys can get approved for to buy a house. You want the maximum amount to go to the house. Doesn't mean you want to use it all, but you want to know the amount. All right. Now, secondly, just because we pre-approve you for like $500,000, you don't have to spend all that. You do not have to spend everything that you got pre-approved for. You can spend less. This is just to show you the max amount you can get. But remember, I don't know if in my other videos, I'm definitely sure I told you guys, just because you get approved for that amount doesn't mean it's comfortable for you. So we want to help you find what's comfortable for your payments. So before you come to someone like me, it makes sense to know, hey, let me look at my budget. I pay $2,000 on rent. Okay, now if I owned a house, I could probably do $3,000, but comfortably I would like to be at $2,500. Just knowing that allows me to know, okay, he's getting pre-approved for $500,000, $600,000, but if he wants his payment around $25,000, this is his sweet spot, and that's what you want to know. You want to know the sweet spot, the spot that, I can pay this, and I can still go out shopping, I can still take vacations, and I'm not constrained, and I'm not strapped for cash, because then you won't be able to enjoy the house. You guys won't be able to be excited and smile and be happy. We want you joyous when you buy a house. We don't want you like, oh my God, how am I making these payments? And every month you're going to be stressing, pulling out your hair. You're going to go to work and you're going to be sad, right, Jashawn?
Yep.
We don't want you sad. We want you happy. We want you excited. You're buying your first home or your second home or your multi-family house. We want you happy. We want to create that residual income, especially if it's a multi-family. And we want you to pass that generational wealth down. All right, second thing is to know your credit. You know your DTI. Now you need to know your credit score. Just knowing your credit score can save you, because I can let you know, hey, you're going to need credit repair off the jump. Versus, I'm not sure what my credit is. It might be 400, it might be a 500. I'm not sure. That creates uncertainty. And when you have that, you're too afraid to even start. So just knowing your credit, you'll have a little more confidence when you're coming to me and say, yeah, Malcolm, you can run my credit. My credit's around a 600. Okay, I know I might need a little things to boost it up, but is it possible that I can see what my interest rate would be now? I'll be more than happy to still help you. All right? So that's another major thing. And thirdly, knowing your actual income. A lot of people do Uber, they do DoorDash. What's another one, Jashawn? What's another? Uber Eats. Postmates. They do a lot of off-the-books income that they don't claim. So knowing how much you actually make with your W-2s, your side jobs, and especially if you're 1099 and it shows it, it helps a lot. When you're about to get a mortgage, make sure you tell your tax accountant, hey, I want to get a mortgage in 2 years. Please allow me to claim my full income. All right, I tell you that because I know a lot of times your accountant does what they do what they can. They give you as many deductions that's legally allowed to make sure that you don't have to pay the state back. But when you get a mortgage, it hurts you. They want to see that you actually made money. They want to see not your net, not your gross, but your net income, especially when it comes to 1099. If your W-2s, it doesn't affect you because they look at your gross. But when you're 1099, we look at your net income. That means after all your deductions, how much did you make? And they give you an average of 2 years when we do the pre-approval. All right, so make sure you guys do that. Those are 3 tips that will help your pre-approval be a lot stronger, and it'll make it quicker. And this way you get a pre-approved for the max amount. Also, before I go, I'm gonna give you guys one more secret. When it comes to loans, you're allowed more than one borrower. Stop thinking you guys have to do it all on yourself, all alone. That's not true. There is more than one borrower. I'm doing a loan now with 4 different co-borrowers. Yes, 1 main borrower and 3 other co-borrowers. 4 people on 1 loan, and it is allowed. So you do not have to do it by yourself. But make sure you know everyone's credit score, income. These documents make sense because it helps me get your pre-approval to you a lot quicker, and we can cut through it so I can find out what's wrong, what's right, and make sure I give you guys the strongest and the best and the most amount of money so you can get the house of your dreams. That's why we're doing this for, right? I'm trying to help you, so help me. Now, if you like this video, please make sure you like, comment in the description, well, below this video, and share it, please. The more likes and the more shares and stuff like that, it tells YouTube that, hey, this video is important. This guy knows what he's talking about. Let's post him in front of more people. The more people I help, the more people I'm able to serve. And as you guys know, my goal this year is to help 100 families get a home. That's just this year. Next year, we're going to try to do more than that, guys. I need your help, so please help me help you. I want to help more people, so share, like, comment, follow me on TikTok, The Real Mr. Marcelle, Instagram, The Real Mr. Marcelle, YouTube, if you're not liking, like now, subscribe, follow. I'll be doing more of these videos. I thank you guys. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. It feels good to be able to help more people. Next week, we'll do another video. I don't know what topic yet. Giselle, any words for the people before we leave?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Boom. Oh, guys, we're coming out with a couple's YouTube channel soon. So make sure you follow along so you can see. And it'll be like more of the behind the scenes. You'll get to follow me in a day. You'll get to meet Giselle finally, the lady behind the camera. And it's going to be fantastic. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. The Real Mr. Marcelle, a.k.a. your favorite loan officer, is officially out. Boom.